The diamond knot paracord zipper pulls. If you like them, go check this tutorial. Hello guys, what's up? Today I will show you a very useful knot. It's called the diamond knot, and we will make one paracord zipper pull with the diamond knot. I have already made one just to show you in advance. You will need about 60 centimeters of cord for your paracord zipper pull with the diamond knot. We will start by cutting these little cords inside our paracord as always, and then we'll use our jet lighter. Now find the center of your cord and place it on your middle finger like this. You will need to make one roll. You can use your finger here like this one and place this loop here on the other cord. After that, take the other cord and pass it over this one, under the second one, and over the third one. You need to have this shape. After that, with the same cord again, pass under this and to the center, and with the other cord under this and to the center, like this. You should have this shape now. Now I'll take my finger off and simply arrange my diamond knot. You see, we already have a shape. We'll just fix it now to make the shape even better. So this is how it looks. If you want, you can shorten this space. It's like you can make it like this. Let's shorten it a little bit. Just find your cord. Yes, this. I think this one will be my working cord. This looks fine. Now I'll arrange it. Just tighten your cord. Like this. We have the diamond knot. Now, just for finishing, I'll cut the excess cords and use my jet lighter to finish. Yep, here it is, our diamond knot. Just in case you haven't seen well, I'll make one more. This is very useful in that you can use your excess paracords for doing this, and let's start. This is a shorter cord, so This is it. Just fix it and cut the extra cords. At the beginning it may seem a bit complicated, but as you make the knots you will realize it's very simple. Here you go. A diamond knot zipper pulls. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe if you liked. Have a good day.